everyone, and welcome to Tranont. My name is Craig Cotter, and if you're watching this, you're ready to take action, move fast, and maximize your results in your first 30 days here at Tranont. This training is all about the Run to Jade promotion and your roadmap to hitting Jade quickly and unlocking momentum in your business and having success fast. So let's break this down step by step. Step one, let's talk about the requirements of what it takes to be a Jade. To hit Jade in your first 30 days, you need to accomplish 4 key things. Number one, make sure you have at least 100 PV. This ensures that you are leading by example and setting up yourself for success. Number two is you need to make sure that you have sponsored a minimum of 2 brand new associates that also have a minimum of 100 PV each. Third is hit 1,300 in total group volume. Now this is collective group volume from your entire team. Number 4, we want to make sure you have balanced growth. No more than 80% of your team or your group volume can come from one leg. So ensure that you are building a strong, sustainable structure. Now let's talk about the strategy in step 2. Now, how are you going to make this happen? We're going to walk you through a proven strategy and game plan. Number 1 is you've got to make sure you've got your 100 PV in, and it's better to have it on subscription so that you make sure that you have your 100 PV every single month minimum to not only ensure you hit Jade one time, but you're qualified to be able to earn Jade or higher over and over again, and it sets the tone for your entire team going forward. Number 2 is you want to identify who your first 2 new associates are going to be. Now, who do you know that wants to make more income, better their health, or just simply take advantage of timing with the powerful business model that we have here at Tranont? Then you're going to want to reach out to those people with urgency and invite them to take a look at a presentation so they can make a decision to become a partner with you. Number 3 is you want to leverage your systems and our systems that we've put in place to help you succeed. Use your team presentations, social media tools, 3-way calls, 3-way chats to help and get help to enroll your very first 2 associates. Number 4, help your team get started fast. Plug your associates into training and help them hit their goals that they've accomplished and wanted to accomplish as they got started in Tranont, and have them each bring in their first 2 associates. And if this starts to duplicate, your group volume will start growing really fast. Number 5, keep your volume balanced. Make sure that you're placing people strategically so that you have no more than 80% of your volume that is coming from one leg. Okay, now we want to move on to step 3 and why this matters and why it is so important for you to run to Jade in your very first 30 days. Okay, this creates fast momentum. Remember, success loves speed. The faster you grow, the easier it's going to be to attract others and inspire them to want to grow fast as well. Number 2 is this is going to increase your earnings. By hitting Jade, it's going to qualify you for bigger bonuses and more commissions, and also allow you to qualify for our amazing Jeep bonus here in the near future. Next is leadership positioning. When you achieve Jade early, you set the tone for your entire organization because the speed of the leader will eventually be the speed of the team. So the faster you do it, the more others are going to want to do it fast as well. And last is it's going to build confidence and belief within you. Nothing builds belief like results, and hitting Jade is going to give you a massive boost and create a lot of excitement for you in your new business venture. So let's recap exactly what you're going to do as soon as you close this video and you finish watching this training. Remember, you're going to want to make sure you have at least your 100 PV in the system, and it's always better to have it on subscription so you never run out of products and you never miss qualifying for bonuses and ranks in our company. Step 2 is you're gonna wanna make sure that that prospect list that you have is always growing, because the bigger the list, the bigger the dream. And so you wanna make sure that you are jotting down and writing down every single person that you wanna introduce these products or business to. Now, step 3 is work with your sponsor or work with your mentor to get those first 2 new associates in your team ASAP, so that you can get your team growing and give yourself a chance to earn Jade very quickly. And then step 4, which could be the most important step, is to make sure that you are duplicating this process with others that are coming in and joining your team with you as well. The more people you have running to Jade and capitalizing on this bonus will directly reflect the momentum and the speed in which you are going to move through our compensation plan and achieve more ranks in the very near future. So this is your time. This is your chance to launch strong, rank up, and run to Jade and get this bonus back to you as fast as possible. And we are so excited to watch you. We're so excited to help you. And more importantly, we are so excited to set you up for all the success that we can. Have a great day, and we will talk to all of you very soon.